The RW1210 SMT Rework Station is an all-in-one solution for reliably and affordably recycling parts, fixing BGA failures, re-soldering cold joints, and more. Rather than waste assembled boards, operators can easily learn to rework them, or at least remove salvageable parts for reuse. Reworking instead of disposing will reduce labor and material costs long-term. Our RW1210 Rework Station offers a low price tag and high quality. Unlike more cheaply made imported machines, this rework equipment will have proper alignment and cause no thermal shock. That means zero damage to your boards or delicate components. By choosing to rework, you'll cut costs, and if you're a contractor, there's even potential for profit. By choosing Manncorp as your supplier, you'll receive top-notch equipment to meet your rework needs and top-notch service from our dedicated USA technicians. Reach out today to learn more.